Okay, so the first shot I just shot was to check if it's even not dialed in. So just gonna get a quick piece of paper, draw a circle across on it, put it up, and yeah, quickly dial it in. It's on setting now. So top right. Center. Just gonna put another through just to check if it is dialed in, and yeah, didn't take too long. 3 bullets, 3 shots. Okay, so I did shoot a nice grouping. Dialed it down a few clicks, and yeah, center. Quickly going to do my brother's rifle, and tomorrow going to shoot some birds. So yeah, let's get to that. Okay, so last night I dialed in my air rifle. So today I'm quickly going to dial in my brother's air rifle. So let's get to that. Okay, so both rifles are dialed in. Really gonna put some shots at the gong, and yeah, maybe later on today we'll do some hunting, pigeons and that stuff. So let's get to that.